Look at this pretty little garden. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I should take a selfie in front of that. Hello guys, it's Labor Day. I was supposed to post a YouTube video yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, today's Monday. I didn't do that. Yeah, well, it's like Saturday now, bitch, so like, get your shit together. You would really think that I would start being like hella bold with this whole vlogging thing. Look at my fucking hair, I look like George Washington. I literally just walked like 10 minutes in the wrong direction because instead of watching as the numbers go up, I didn't, because they were going down. So it took me like 10 minutes to realize that the numbers were going down before I was like, oh bitch, you're getting farther away from your fucking coffee. Maybe make change, maybe do something about it. No, I'm not getting Dunkin' Donuts right now. I'm probably gonna get like a better coffee, you know? Nah, I'm gonna end up at Dunkin' Donuts because I have no self-control. Not gonna lie, the main reason that I turned down that Dunkin' is because I was sure that there would be another one on this road because they're normally on every corner. But there has not been one, so I'm just now realizing also, like, I'm walking to the park. Don't know why, but I'm walking there and I'm realizing that I'm gonna have to walk back. Don't know if I just forgot that factor, but I didn't really want to do that. One. Yay, now let me fucking cross. I know those bitches right there are fucking staring me down. Alright, let's go. I still want coffee, by the way. My body thrives on caffeine. We knew this, right? I'm not going the right way. I have to be. Like, this is just a dead end of water up ahead. Isn't it like the Hudson or some shit? This looks like someone could get killed here. Anyways, so this is what I just walked to. Honestly, I thought it would be prettier. Maybe like over there is where I meant to walk to, and I'm over here. Some beautiful currents, some slushing water noises, some litter, some more litter. It's all good, you know? Well, I gotta put this on my Snapchat, otherwise I didn't come, you know? You know, if I was a dog, I really just don't think that this would be where I'd wanna play. But the effort is surely sweet. Lesson learned, kids. That was a ball cap. Those carts could have AIDS. That's all I'm saying. Do I really? I'm realizing now just how sweaty I am, but I'm wearing jeans, so the sweat is like uncomfortable, and I'm on my period, so there's like just a lot of sweat, a lot of discomfort happening. I just want some coffee and to not be so sweaty and damp. Is that too much to ask? Yeah, probably. I bet your bottom dollar right around this here corner is a Dunkin' Donuts. Can I just do a medium pumpkin iced coffee? Yeah, pumpkin iced coffee?
Yeah. Oh wait, can you do almond milk?
This shit slaps. Fuck me. Like, I feel like I respond to caffeine the same way a crackhead does to like shooting heroin. I probably shouldn't say that much.